Ciao, mi trovo qua a un campetto di Verona. Oggi voglio proporti una sfida. Vediamo se riuscirai a completare il gioco del giro del mondo a pallacanestro nel minor tempo possibile. Ora guarda cosa riesco a fare io. Buona sfida.
Living like a Bronco, lifestyle wild and unknown. Sits at the top, long as no name. Misfits can't wait to get a chance to say fuck you to the ones who said fuck you till you doing your thing. Codeine, cocaine, cartel. You lead the charge of this young man. Flying years in his head. World is yours. Wake up, nigga. Gotta get the cake up, nigga. Niggas in the bushes in the farms, might gotta wake up a nigga. I'm way too antsy, cause my ambition too frantic. I might need to move to Atlantis, cause my mind too outlandish. It's a rodeo, time to get started. Houston nigga go James Harden. They was falling on this niggas in the projects. Wonder why nigga went cold hearted. They wanna put my soul up on the auction, but I'ma make the nigga fall like August. And they gon' put me right in on the carcass. And I'ma show these niggas how to get lawless. Got your hands out, asking can you hold one? Who do I owe nigga no one? They picking you up but you low down. Animated acting frozen. I got porno pics, wish I could post them. Stacking fragments, I can't hold them. Niggas asking for the old them, but I was too young to be the old them. I'ma make this shit crack no more old them till I come to the top of the podium. So wake up, nigga. Gotta get the cake up, nigga. Niggas in the bushes, niggas on the farm. Might gotta wake up a nigga. I'm way too antsy, cause my ambition too frantic. I might move out to Atlantis, cause my mind too outlandish. We gon' rule the world, we gon' rule the world, we gon' rule the world. The flame says, let your ambition carry you.
Beh dai, diciamo che non è andata male, Soprattutto non avendo il rimbalzista risulta un po' difficile quando si sbaglia, però se si segna molto spesso diventa molto facile. Ci si mette poco tempo. Beh, questo è stato il mio tempo finale. Vediamo cosa riuscirai a fare te, se riuscirai a battermi. Fammi sapere sotto nei commenti e se volete altre sfide di pallacanestro da campetto fatemi sapere sempre nei commenti. Grazie, ciao a tutti raga.